To make this coffee face exfoliator, all you'll need is 1 tablespoon of fine sugar, 1 teaspoon of finely ground coffee, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of unsweetened almond milk, or any unsweetened plant milk you like. This exfoliator helps remove dead skin buildup and smooth the skin's texture. When used gently, it can help your skin feel softer and more refreshed. Coffee and sugar work together to gently exfoliate the skin, while the plant milk helps reduce friction so the scrub doesn't feel harsh. When applying, use very light pressure and small circular motions. Exfoliating should always be gentle. Scrubbing harder doesn't give better results. After about 10 to 20 seconds of gentle exfoliation, rinse with lukewarm water. After rinsing, my skin feels smoother and softer, especially in areas where I usually have dry patches. After exfoliating, moisturizing is really important. Exfoliation removes dead skin, so following up with a moisturizer helps support your skin barrier and prevent dryness. I'm using this rice-based moisturizer. It feels lightweight and hydrating, and it also helps keep my skin comfortable after exfoliating. Moisturizing after exfoliation makes a big difference in how your skin feels. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy natural vegan skincare, feel free to subscribe for more simple tips and recipes.